सो हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो? वेलकम टू बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं सौरभ। मैं आज ड्रॉ करने जा रहा हूं टाइगर का स्केच, जो कि बहुत ही रियलिस्टिक होने वाला है। और अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन ऑल पर सेट कर दें, ताकि आने वाली हर वीडियो की अपडेट आपको तुरंत मिल जाए। एंड लेट स्टार्ट।
Don't tell me why I can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. Until the break of dawn. Put up the walls, you were there to catch the fall. Only when the stars to flow. Never when you want to go. Running across the dark to go. Never when you move the flow. Break of
Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out. If your enemies, a road ahead, a full prophecy to be the greatest beat the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets cause real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, handling the score, never getting bored. Lots of blood and gold, always wanting more. Freedom from the source, they don't really understand until they feel it for their body. And if you start shit, you'll be hard lived in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped to be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. When there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. There's no exit, when I'm desperate. There's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Pump up the baseline.
Wait!
Pump up the. Pump up the.
The strobe cuts through darkness. It's not just light, it's a beacon. The strobe becomes our guide. Our shadows dancing with strangers, our bodies merging. Each flash a story, a memory, a fragment of time where everything seems possible. A spark ignited, a rhythm found. The strobe, more than light, is a
अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन ऑल पर सेट कर देना और एक अच्छा सा कमेंट भी कर देना। थैंक यू। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।